to Puducherry. Hello, hi. Everyone wants to visit Puducherry at least once in life and roam around. Puducherry is a small, beautiful city located in the southern part of India, near Tamil Nadu. Here you are looking at is Puducherry Dindivanam Bypass Road. Now what you are looking at is the Marai Malai Adigal Sole. It is located in front of the Pondicherry bus stand. Pondicherry bus stand has been temporarily converted into a vegetable market now due to COVID-19 pandemic. It is always crowded here. The visual is Lord Perumal Temple is located on Mahatma Gandhi Road. It is customary here for millions of devotees to come here daily to worship God. On the way to Auroville, there is a beautiful pond at Guilapalayam which attracts the eyes of tourists. This is a stunningly Sacred Heart Church. The railway station is very close by. It is a fact that Puducherry is known for beach. It is pleasant to look at and it's a feast for our eyes. Come and see this beach, which is located in front of Pondicherry Engineering College. How beautiful it is. It would be a very pleasant experience to swim and take bath here. Don't forget that you will have a lot of fun here. The symbol of Puducherry is the Gandhi statue located near the beach. Kuber Bazaar is located on Annasali Street. Electronics products are also available at very cheap prices. It is an ideal place for shopping. The Botanical Garden is where the Hollywood film Life of Pi was filmed here. Next what you see is the interior of Pondicherry railway station. The railway station is located at a distance of about 2 km from the Pondicherry bus stand. The train departs from Pondicherry and travels to other states via Viluppuram. This is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Road. The Ajanta Theatre signal is nearby. Famous restaurants like Atithi are also located here. A bakery and cake shop is located in Auroville. This is a place where you can enjoy a variety of French cuisine cakes and breads. This is one of the important signals in Puducherry. And Akkad and Muruga Theatre located nearby. An impressive tall clock is located at Mutalpet. Oh, yellow is eye-catching and grabs our attention. This is Akotha's coffee shop. You can see many more coffee and tea shops like this along Mahatma Gandhi Road all the way. Lake Thiru Resort is located in the small town of Chennai Virampattinam. It is located at a distance of about 7 km from Pondicherry. Beautiful beach is located very close to this resort. This place is surrounded by natural scenery. A comfortable place to stay in. Shivaji statue is located on Easier Road. It is located near Karvadikuppam, Siddhanta Temple. This is the place where you can reach Mahabalipuram, Thiruvanmiyur and Chennai. This is a statue of an actor, Shivaji Ganesan, erected by the government of Puducherry. This is a beautiful white town. Nearby are the Gandhi statue, the governor's residence, and the Bharati Park. It looks like a city in France. Bharati Park looks very nice, where you can spend some wonderful time with your family members and friends here. What you are looking at is a beautiful Serenity Beach. It is located at Kottakuppam. It is located at a distance of about 3 kilometers from Pondicherry. Tourists flock here on weekends. This is the vegetable market located in Mutyalpet. Here you can buy all kind of vegetables. This is Mahatma Gandhi Road. Shenbo Hotel is located here. This is a very important signal. There are a lot of restaurants nearby. From here you can walk straight to the railway station. East Coast Road. It is an ITI institute situated in Auroville. The students of the surrounding villages benefit from studying here. Come to Puducherry right away without thinking for a second. Thank you.